In 2020, DJI announced that over 500 people around the world had been rescued through the use of drone technology. That was over 2 years ago. Here at Edinburgh Drone Company, we want to show how drones can be used to save lives in any situation. But in the UK, this can only happen through connecting, starting conversations, and most importantly, collaborating. That's why in our most recent demonstration day, we invited search and rescue teams from around the UK, fire and rescue, and the police to introduce them to the capabilities of drones. We showcased all our technology, as well as recent releases such as the DJI M30T, which is the first drone specifically made for saving lives, with the new RC Plus controller for a more user-friendly interface for when you're wearing gloves, and Flight Hub 2 for connecting the search team to the base of operations. We invited other companies such as DTLX, who are making great advancements in creating drone ports and highways around Scotland, the Search and Rescue Aerial Association, who have been ahead of the curve since using drones from 2017 and even sending feedback to the companies who make them, and finally Professional Drone Training, who help people UK-wide achieve their full licence while also making them aware of the importance of drone laws. Through advancements in technology, we can now offer drones with thermal imaging, high quality zoom lenses, as well as GPS tracking and pinpointing. Drones can save these services time that could just be the difference between life or death. But none of that will happen without boosting the awareness and starting more conversations and connecting one step at a time. We plan to host more of these events in the future and begin the training process up here in Scotland at our privately owned facility and start the operation of collaboration for a more efficient and safer future.